Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. In today's video, we're working on a 2000 Ford F-250. The mirror here got ripped off, so we're going to replace it with a new mirror that we got from the salvage yard. This is a manual mirror. This process for a power mirror is going to be very similar, and I'll point those out as we go, so come with me. All right, to get started, the first thing we're going to do is roll the window down. Now on this one here, right here is a couple plugs here. We're just going to pop these off. Set these aside. I'm used to use my fingers to pull them off, and behind it is the bolts for the mirror. So that gives us access to the two back bolts that you can see here on the mirror here. So these two here. So now we need to get access to these two bolts here. And the way we get access to that is we're going to take this molding here and we're going to pull it off. It's just held on some clips. You just pull it straight out. Now using an 11mm socket, we're going to go ahead and take the bolts off here. Take these off. Try not to drop the bolts down into the door. If you do, then you'll have to take the door panel off to retrieve it or get a magnet in here. Now you're going to peel this tape back, and behind it will be the other two bolts. Now you need to support the mirror here as you take the last bolt off. Wiggle and pull off. Line up the new mirror. Start the easiest bolt you can get to. Snug. Now you're just going to go around and start all the rest of the bolts. I like to start them all by hand. Once they're all started, then we'll snug them all up by hand with our ratchet. These don't have to be super tight. Just run them in until they bottom out in about a quarter turn more. Good to go. Now we can reinstall the tape, reinstall the molding, so you line it up and then snap it on. Reinstall the rubber grommets. Now you're ready to adjust your mirror and go drive. I'm Brian from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.